There is a number in the restaurant industry that does not get talked about enough: crew turnover. In many quick service restaurants, annual turnover is well above 100%, meaning the average location effectively replaces its entire team within a single year. Every one of those departures costs time, training, and money. Because of numbers like this, technology has become essential to daily operations. Tools like Double Check help new team members get trained in a fraction of the time it used to take. Across the board, the right technology helps people work through their daily tasks more efficiently and takes the repetitive, annoying parts of the job off their plate. When a kiosk or a self-checkout handles the routine, repetitive part of taking an order, staff are freed up for the tasks that actually need a human: preparing food, solving a problem, helping a customer who needs extra attention, making the best use of a limited and hard-to-retain workforce. This shift also helps with turnover itself. When employees spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on meaningful work, the job becomes less exhausting and more rewarding, which can help retention in an industry where hiring has become a constant, expensive cycle. At Acrelec, self-service technology across kiosks, drive-thru, and checkout is designed with this in mind, handling the routine so people can focus on what only people can do. In 2026, the smartest use of technology is not doing the job of your team. It is making sure your team can actually do theirs. To learn more about how Acrelec supports smarter staffing, visit acrelec.com.